scholars, let us consider substitution today in our mathematics. Substitution. Substitution. Substitution also means replacement. Replacement. This idea of substitution or mathematics is vital in dealing with complex mathematical problems, especially if you want to plot your graph in mathematics. You need this idea to help you get the values of the dependent variables. So substitution simply means replacement in mathematics. It is true that some of you could tell the sound of your parents' cars, or could tell the steps of your parents, or could also identify your parents by their voices. Sometimes you've applied this concept in trying to deal with such situations in life. You heard the sound of a vehicle from afar and you conclude that is your father's vehicle, and sometimes you might be right and sometimes you might also be wrong. And you're actually wrong because you did not observe carefully. That's why you're wrong. So that concept is going to be applied here. So in substitution or replacement, in substitution or replacement, you'll be given different letters or variables that have their values, and you'll be asked to substitute them in a given algebra expression or equation to get your right answers. Look at this. Given A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, and Y is equal to 4. Evaluate the following. You have 1, AY plus B. So you have YAB all over AB. 3, you have A over Y plus B over Y. We are asked to evaluate this. They have already given us the respective values of the letters. That letter A is 2, letter B is 3, letter Y is 4. And we are asked to evaluate the following: AY plus B, YAB over AB, A over Y plus B over Y. Let us see how we can deal with these problems respectively. Solution. You have number 1, AY plus B. In substitution, you have to take each of the value that is given to you and put it in this expression, this algebraic expression. A is 2, and remember, AY simply means A times Y. AY means A times Y. So I'll be having here A times Y plus B. My A is 2, I'll write 2 times my Y is 4 plus my B is 3. So I have 2 times 4 plus 3. And you've just been taught board mass. You've also been taught board mass in your class. So that will help you deal with this properly. What are you going to do now? You should multiply this first before this. So you have 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3. That will give you 11. So AY plus B is 11. Let's try number 2. You have YAB over AB. This is simple. Some people can choose to cancel out the A's and the B's and deal with Y alone. But let me quickly deal with it the way it ought to be using the method of substitution. YAB simply means Y times A times B, and AB means A times B. So my y is 4. So I'll be having 4 times a is 2 times b is 3 all over 2 times 3. You can see that. So this 2 we cancel this 2. This 3 will cancel this 3. And you have 4 over 1 left. And your answer is 4. You can decide to multiply if you want to multiply. You can decide to multiply. So you have 4 times 2 times 3 all over 2 times 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24 all over 6. So how many 6 are in 24? Your answer is 4. So you see I have the same answer. Then for number 3, what was given was a over y plus b over y. My a is 2, so you write 2 over y is 4 plus my b is 3 over 4. These are two fractions that have the same denominators. You've been taught fractions in your previous classes. You know that when they have the same denominators, you are to only operate on the numerators. So let us add the up numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. So our answer is 5 over 4. This is the final answer. Or you can put your answer as a mixed fraction, which is also how many 4 are in 5? 1. Remainder 1 over 4. This is also the final answer. This is all about substitution in mathematics. It has to do with replacement. Replace letters by the values given and ensure you are able to work with the right operation. It's simple. So you can try this at home and get your answers. Forward them to me. Do the following. Do the following. If x is equal to 7, y is equal to 4, and t is equal to minus 2. Evaluate this. 1 xy plus t, 2 x over y minus t plus t, x over y plus t. Let me change this your sign to plus. Let t be equal to 2 alone, not minus 2. Then number 3, so that some of you will not get it wrongly. So number 3 will be xyt minus xy plus yt. So deal with this. Solve this problem. They said do the following. If x is 7, y is 4, and t is 2. T is 2. Let me write it 2 close by. T is 2. Evaluate xy plus t. Number 2, x over y plus t. And number 3, xyt minus xy plus yt. Carefully do that. It's all about replacement. It's all about replacement. So replace each of these letters by their respective values. You will get your answers correctly. See you in the next class. Thank you.